Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. Always place a towel under the wiper arm to protect your windshield if you accidentally allow the wiper arm to fall. To install your new wiper blade, you will first need to remove the pre-installed connector. Pull up on the front of the connector and pull it away from the blade. Remove both the pin connector and the pin expander from the wiper package. Align the underside of the connector with the mounting base of the wiper blade, with the larger opening on the opposite side of the spoiler. Snap the connector onto the wiper blade. Slide the pin expander onto the connector. Note, this wiper blade features an aerodynamic spoiler. For optimal performance, ensure your spoiler is always facing towards the windshield. Start with the wiper blade at a 90-degree angle and align the large side of the connector pin to the arm. Slide the wiper blade onto the pin and rotate the wiper back to its normal position. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage.